we got in here? We got Andrea, long time no see. Bam, what's up? Bin, Bread, how you doing, Bread? BC, screw you, BC. T-Ting, what's up? June, Dean, also long time no see. K Dunn, what's going on? Kelcoin, Opal. Raven, how you doing? The sniper. What's up, Rom? Thanks for putting that in the chat. Love that. Shiver, how you doing? Travis, W Falcon, good to see you both as well from the Academy. Love the Academy representation here. Raven, what is that from? What is that? Yo, what's up, Travis? Hello, Falcon. Thanks for the heart, K Dunn. Love that. Crypto Kitty Magic, how you doing? CFC BDJKR, love the name. What's up, Snowmobiles? Some Academy representation as well. Hey, hey. Yeah, Snowmobiles is our Academy hero. An instructor that will go down in the history books.
You want to share why? So everyone
It's just incredible
learns
all
why
around.
he's a legend.
Yeah, so for those of you that don't know the Snowmobile, it's just an all-around absolute legend in the Academy. If you've been a part of our Academy before, you'll know that Snowmobiles is always reviewing the quests. You've probably all gotten some feedback from Snowmobiles at some point. Snowmobiles also completed the course during, what was it, the April one, right, Snowmobile? So he's a real OG in the space. Yeah. So real OG, and has been reviewing quests for like 3 months now. So just seriously, yeah, like an actual superstar, as Brad mentions. Yes, Snowmobiles has feedbacks lengthier than the quest. Wow, can we put that somewhere? That's so funny. So we were talking about adding we had like a guild leaders meeting before this, and we were talking about adding like a testimonial section. We should put that on the testimonials that like our academy instructors leave feedback lengthier than the quest itself. That's too funny. Oh my god. So yeah, a true hero, I must say. Gonna go ahead and share my screen. Gonna wait for a few others to tune in. We usually get started a few minutes late just to give some people time to roll on in. I see JT is living the dream is here. What's up, JT? I always feel like I'm saying hi to myself there. And I do indeed be living the dream. That is true. Look, I have to say that every time as well. What's up, Captain Cook? War Academy representation. How you doing? Surrey Cat's here. Tuning in, our Minecraft god. What's up, Surrey Cat? Surrey Cat. Surrey
You're like
Cat,
a narrator of the chat.
yeah. I like reading out all the messages. How's your day, midterm? Oh, how's your midterm? Oops, I read that wrong. Oops, narrator already messed up. Surrey Cat, I think we have to give you like a special role, like Minecraft god or something. But yeah, Surrey Cat, did you get smacked? Yeah, Surrey Cat, do you want to share how all your finals went? I think he means the finals, Surrey Cat. Also, thanks for using that god command. Everyone should be using that one more. See, Baba's here. What's up, Baba? I woke up yesterday to an amazing Happy Canada poster from Baba yesterday. That was awesome. Thank you. Man, Red, what's up, Numany? How you doing? War Academy representation. Wow, the Emerald Academy is flowing in. Look at Surrey Cat. Can we get some claps in the chat for absolutely demolishing those exams? Great job, Surrey Cat. No, I'm not. I'm not Canadian, K-Down. I'm not. But I still got the poster. So claps in the chat for Surrey Cat. Amazing job for those finals. That's not really good. Oh. Ah, it's so funny. We're all just clapping for Suricat, just shit in the bed. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, no, that's. I mean, at least you're done, right? So we'll clap for that. At least you're done. What's that, Big Daddy? You're at. Good to see you as well. All right, sorry. I tend to get really off track here. Sometimes it's just too funny. But anyways, welcome back everybody to the next town hall. Town Hall 14. Wow. I think we've been running these since like when? Like December or something. So kind of crazy that we're already at Town Hall 14. But welcome, 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 welcome. If you haven't been to our town halls before, this is basically a time where everyone in Emerald City meets up. We talk about stuff that we're doing inside the Emerald City Discord community, whatever it may be. So we just completely sync up on everything. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. And we also joke around and have some fun. What's up, Tab Cole? Good to see you as well. More Academy representation. Wow, we got a ton of Academy people here today. All right, so let's do it. I'm streaming on YouTube and also in Discord, so go ahead and click on that live stream. Let's get started. So the way that we structure these is we separate them into our 3 guilds. We do education. I'm already laughing at K-Dun's thing. Education, building, and governance. So we're going to start off with education, and quick spoiler alert, we have a lot of education stuff to go over today. Yeah, so K-Dun says, I flunked 2 boot camps already, 3 times a charm. Listen, K-Dun, we're always here for you. No problem at all. Cool. So let's get started on the education front. So what's going on inside the education guild inside of Emerald City? So Emerald Academy, right? The number one. The Beginner Cadence Bootcamp June 2022 edition is done. It is officially wraps. So if you participated in the June 2022 edition bootcamp, do you mind typing hello in the chat so we can see all of you, or putting a wave? So put a wave or a hi in the chat if you participated. Waz, look at that. One of our graduates put a hello in the chat. So what's up, Waz? Yeah, so look, we got a bunch of highs, bunch of waves in the chat. So look at this. Everyone who participated in the boot camp. So love to see you all here. Thanks for joining. And yeah, it's done. So we had a ton of graduates from that. We're going to be giving out floats. If you did graduate, we're going to be giving out floats for that for your certificate, and you'll also be getting your graduation roll in the next couple days. If you haven't completed this boot camp, that is totally fine. If you were in the middle of it, no worries at all. Like Captain Cook, no problem. You have pretty much indefinite to get your quests in. Yeah, so that's that. So I guess I'll skip to this. I'm going to skip to this slide and then go back. So while we're on the topic of the Beginner Cadence Bootcamp, our next Cadence Bootcamp is Monday, July 11th. So it's starting on July 11th. If you've already completed this course, you don't have to do it again, but we would love to have you again just to tune in. There's never a downside to learning things twice, right? To solidify your knowledge. But if you missed any of our previous boot camps and you want to learn about Cadence, we have a ton of graduates in the chat that will tell you how amazing it is. So definitely get involved. And to sign up, go to this link. So let me actually try and copy and paste this into the chat. If you want to sign up for our next Cadence Edition bootcamp, go ahead to that link and sign up. So yeah, would love to have you in the boot camps, and it is amazing. All right. So scaffold flow. Actually, are there any questions about that? I'm gonna pause really quick while if anyone has any questions. No worries, K-Down. That's totally fine. Although K-Dun, so one of our instructors, Amethyst, Amethyst is a woman, so maybe she would love to learn from Amethyst. Who knows? Yep. Cool. So any questions about be so much happier? Awesome. Totally. Although she might be sick of my voice in the workshops though, so sounds like my girlfriend. Who'll be instructing the next bootcamp? That's a great question. So Bam will be instructing. So good question, Bam. I will be instructing. Snowmobiles will be instructing, right? The man, the myth, the legend, snowmobiles. Amethyst will be instructing. So Amethyst is going to be a new instructor. We're so excited to have her. She's done an amazing job in the previous boot camps. Ricardo will also be instructing, and Fosque. So we're going to have the most amount of instructors we've ever had. And yeah, super, super pumped for that. So yeah, if you want to sign up, go to that link. Love to have you. All right, starting on July 11th. Cool. So next topic, scaffold flow. So we've talked about this quite a lot at this point in previous town halls. But if you're a developer and you've heard of Scaffold ETH is basically a platform on the Ethereum blockchain that allows you to, have access to a ton of resources for educational purposes, like tutorials, GitHub repositories, all that stuff. Anyway, we're replicating that for a flow. It's called Scaffold Flow. Pelzy, if you're here, I saw a hi in the chat earlier. So Pelzy, I know you're here. Also, it's fantastic. I don't think you're here, but Pelzy, it's fantastic. I've been working a lot on this. So Pelzy, what's up? Can we get a bunch of hearts for Pelzy in the chat for working so hard on this? So Scaffold Flow, it's basically going to be a part of Emerald Academy. So it's going to be merged into Emerald Academy. And it's going to be a bunch of really, really helpful dApp tutorials for people to learn how to do dApp development. So I'm going to give you a little sample preview. We've given this before, but there's some updates this time. So we have a tutorial section, right, for Hello World. And this isn't like released yet, but we have a tutorial section for Hello World, non-fungible token, fungible token, and a marketplace. You can click on any one of these. Let's go to the non-fungible token one, and we're still working on this layout. But you can see that there's like there's a check, there's checkpoints, there's things to do to learn about dApp development and minting NFTs, and we've set up this whole tutorial for you to learn about the blockchain. So we have a ton of stuff ready to go for you. We're going to be releasing it relatively soon, at least we hope. And we're gonna fix some stuff up to really make it super nice and all that. So that's one update. We also have our bootcamp section. Obviously, you all know about our boot camps, and we've also included an important resources section to allow all of you to understand, what are some things that as a developer are super crucial to developing on Flow. So obviously, the most important one that should be listed first is Jacob's YouTube channel. Whoever that guy is seems really smart, and obviously is, he's incredibly talented and smart. So that needs to be number one. The Flow CLI, Flow Playground, obviously less important, but still important. They're listed as well. Flow Scan, Flow's YouTube channel. Again, nowhere near the prowess of this guy, but they try their best. And a huge shout out to It's Fantastic as well. So yeah, get that up. Yeah, that's true. I mean, K-Dot, you know me. It's all about the clout. It really is. Nice, Andreas making memes in the chat. That's great. So yeah, that's a thing. And also, so wait, do I mention this in the other slides? Okay, yeah, I do. Well, actually, I'll quickly mention it right now. So one thing we're doing is we're actually transforming the Academy site into, so right now on the home page, you'll see it's just boot camps, right? We're going to be actually transforming the entire Academy site to be more general purpose for Flow Education. So there's going to be like a nice homepage here that displays not only boot camps, but our tutorials and hackathons and resources and stuff like that as well. So you can definitely look forward to that. All right, and I have another update coming soon. So next update is FCL and dApp boot camps. So all of you have come to know and love our Cadence boot camps, but we want to allow you to take your Cadence knowledge and build real-world dApps. So we have begun developing our dApp course that we will use for more boot camps, and we are already 3/5 of the way done with that. So we have 3 chapters done out of the 5. And this is right now, it's an exclusive access for graduates of our Cadence Bootcamp. So if you've graduated the Cadence Bootcamp and you have the role in Discord, you will have access to this as it's being developed. So we did the same thing for the Cadence one, and people like that. Best way to learn is building. Completely agree. And yeah, absolutely. So this is on the way, and yeah, so it's only available to the graduates of the Cadence Bootcamp for now, but that will soon change once it's completed. And we're super excited to get that out there. And we're going to be running some boot camps for all the people that want to learn about dApp development. So also, I say that this is I say that it will allow you to take your cadence knowledge and build real world dApps. The truth is that this bootcamp or this course does not require too much cadence knowledge actually. In fact, this dApp course is going to require pretty minimal cadence knowledge because it's just going to be making like a hello world dApp. So it's not going to be like a really complicated NFT one because it's a beginner bootcamp. But the it include the actual course itself includes like some content on learning cadence. So you do not have to know cadence to do this. Just want to make that very clear. But if you know cadence, it'll actually be very easy for you. And then in the next edition of this course, like maybe the intermediate one or the advanced one, be like an NFT slash maybe staking dApp or something like that. And you'll have to know a significant amount of cadence stuff for that and will require you taking the previous course. But for this one, you don't have to know cadence for it. So if you haven't done our cadence course, don't feel like you are restricted to this at all. In fact, I greatly encourage you to take this course to learn about, maybe how cadence can be useful to you, and then you can go back and take our cadence course. So don't think it's a requirement. Okay, awesome. So look out for
I have a
that.
question for
Yeah.
for this one. What JavaScript framework are you using for the?
Oh, Andrea. Oh, Andrea. Oh, am I so sorry. But we're using Next.js. And the
Yeah.
reason for that is, yeah, look at BZ, so happy in the chat. So the reason for that is only because so many people like have asked for
Yeah.
it. And like
No, it's totally fair. It's totally fair.
it is totally fair. Yeah.
It's
So,
it
um,
is the industry standard, unfortunately. So I totally
unf
understand.
I would also say, unfortunately, for context, Andrea
The
taught me
standard for
Svelte.
now.
Yeah,
Yes.
for now.
Exactly.
Yeah, true.
Exactly,
Well,
boys.
that's the right mindset, baby. Um, no, but for context, Andrea taught me Svelte, and to be quite honest with you, I love Svelte a lot more than Next.js. However, because it is currently the industry standard and people ask for it, we made it in Next.js. But maybe in Svelte, right? Maybe we'll do another one in Svelte. True. Maybe we
Yeah.
should have a yeah.
If yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Actually, we still need to do that learning front end course as well, right? Like
Yes.
beyond FCL. Maybe
Yes.
we can do one for Svelte. I am happy to help out there.
That would be
I'm the only
awesome.
one that sucks at front end.
That would yeah. If Boss and I talk about how bad we are at front end. But that would be awesome actually, Andrea, if we had like an intro to front end course. Oh my god, I think that would be insane. I love that. Yeah. BZ's just so excited. So yeah, we'll think about doing an intro to front end course in Emerald Academy as well. Cool. All right, so that's the update there. Now this one I'm super excited about. So don't get too excited by this image. This isn't Emerald Academy yet, but look, I know Surrey Cat and Raven are gonna love this one. Yeah. So Surrey Cat and Raven, because they also play League of Legends. Um, Yo, Andrea, you can't be putting that in the chat while I'm doing that. It's too funny. Oh my god. Speaking of float, I forgot to make the float for this one, of course. You know me. But that's too funny. Oh my god. So back to this one. So sorry, I got distracted by Andrea's meme. Um, but so this is the picture on the right here. This is League of Legends. So if you know me, you know I'm addicted to League of Legends. I think I played for like over 15 hours on Friday, but that's beside the point. I didn't say that. So here's like the achievements board on League of Legends. So like if you get some kill or you get some random thing, you get like a little icon, and it's like a cool little like board where you can see all your icons. Well, you probably get where I'm going with this. We're gonna be introducing Academy achievements. Yes, 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 yes. Um, so what's gonna be so cool about this is that on the Emerald Academy site, we're gonna have an achievements board just like this where you can show off all your floats. Um, so you'll be able to, for example, right on the way that we give certificates to people is we give them a float, right? Actually, I'll show you the float that we give out. Why not just show you, right? So let me connect my wallet really quick. And let's go to the events page. What is it? I don't know which one it is actually. I think it's the beginner cadence bootcamp. So this is the float that we give out to people who completed the beginner cadence bootcamp. You can see 46 people have it because 46 people have graduated our bootcamp. So what we're gonna do is on the on the achievement site, we're gonna have a little achievement for completed beginner cadence bootcamp. And if you have the float, we're gonna search your collection and it'll display here if you have it. And if you don't have it, it's gonna be empty and sad so that everyone knows that you didn't complete the bootcamp and you're honestly a loser, right? So that's gonna display on your profile. In addition to that, we're gonna come out with other achievements like completed bootcamp with honors, or helped others during the boot camp, or contributed content for the academy. There's going to be a ton of achievements you can earn, and you're going to be able to display that on your profile. So I'm super excited about this because I love video games and I love this type of crap. But yeah. Anyways, super excited, and yeah. So if we really zoom in here, you can see that like there's also like this little like progress bars in left here, like expertise, teamwork, imagination. So this is obviously for league, but we're gonna have this for like the academy as well. So for example, like we're gonna have a boot camps category, and we're gonna have a bar for how many boot camps you've completed. All that's cool stuff. That's gonna make the academy just just freaking awesome. And of course powered by the Float platform. So well, I say this every time, but whoever developed the Float platform is just honestly like a true genius. So yeah, cool. So who likes this? Could we make floats for completed chapters? So I've got at least one. Nope. Okay, then you're gonna remain a total and utter loser until you complete the boot camp. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. But we probably we actually that's interesting. Maybe we'll do it for individual chapters, but it's hard to track that. But Kaden, I have no doubt. I have no doubt that you'll complete it at some point. Dakota Academy. Yeah, yeah, true. I am the minions to him. It's true, Bam. 30 Cat's plastic too. Yeah, you're trash, honestly. That's what I'd say.
I
Thanks,
mean,
mate.
there is value in having a lot of different achievements from a gamification perspective. So it would be cool to have a lot of different floats.
Totally. Yeah, and the cool thing is that all this is actually going to be really easy because what I'm going to do is on the Float platform, I'm just going to create a group called like Emerald Academy Achievements, and all the floats in that group are what the front end's going to query for. So it's actually going to be like really easy.
Awesome.
Yeah. The float scheme motivated. Yep, yep. Yeah, so that's that. All right, anyways, so can't wait to crush Jacob in LOL battle. So Surrey Cat and I, we actually played a game together, and I think we won, didn't we, Surrey Cat? Didn't we win that game? Or did we lose? I think we won, actually. I think it was because I carried you, right? I remember. We were doing really bad, and I was carrying you. Oh, we lost? Oh, that's great. Oh, man. I thought we... That's just awesome. I thought we won. My bad. All right, so that's all the Academy stuff. So, long story short, tons of updates coming to the Academy. So, yeah. Cool. Okay, Building Guild. What's going on in the Building Guild? And by the way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. All right, Building Guild, let's do it. So Touchstone, woohoo, woo, 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 woo. So Andre with more memes, I love this so much. Um, but anyways, so in previous town halls, we talked a lot about token minter, NFT minter, NFT generator, NFT collection generator, NFT collection generator platform, 50,000 names. Anyway, we've come up with an official name, Touchstone. Woo! So Touchstone is going to be a platform for anyone to learn about NFTs, flow blockchain, and configure and deploy their own NFT collections without coding. So yeah, so we have a sample preview. We always show sample previews. Also, I say this every time, but for some reason my computer is like literally in the dumps, so it like never fully works for some reason. But anyways, that's a side point. So this is Touchstone. It's pretty cool. We're still working on it. And yeah, so we have like a user guide that like allows you to learn about NFTs. So like, it's pretty cool actually. You learn about all about, NFTs and the Flow blockchain, and we have this whole guide. And thanks to a lot of the people that worked on it. including Curiosity Flow if you're here. I don't think you're here, but some other people that did some awesome work for this. So thank you for and Voske did a lot of stuff on that. Um, yeah, Dean really likes the name. I don't know Dean who came up with that honestly. I have no idea. I just randomly thought of it in my sleep. Just kidding. Dean came up with it. So woohoo! Claps to Dean. Oh yeah. So yeah, so we have this whole like NFT learning thing, and then here's the collection generator. So you can connect your wallet, and I don't think we've yeah, I'll show this a little bit. So you can connect your wallet. You can type in a collection name, for example, Jacob's NFTs, a price, a description, an image, right? You can go next. Then you can upload all of your collection data and images. Now, of course, I don't have this ready right now, but this works. And then we have a collection preview where you can view all your NFTs, some contract information. You deploy it, and then you can upload metadata. Um, Man, I wish I could. Is this computer? Okay, I don't actually code in this computer, so I would be able to show you these pages, but I can't because I don't have the code on this computer. But anyway, so I'll definitely show you this. Okay, how about this? I promise that in the next town hall, I'll show this whole process. So I'll leave that for next town hall. Yeah, we get it. Okay, true, true. So we'll leave that for next time. Um, yeah, yeah. So like Dean said, we were super close to that name. It was actually like a really intense debate, but we decided it probably made more sense just to go with Touchstone. Jacob Tucker's NFT Collection Factory seemed a little braggy, but maybe we'll a different platform. Bit more of a mouthful. Yeah, just a little bit. Waz says I'll send you a link for the computer repair. Oh yeah, please do. All right, cool. So that's Touchstone. Nice. So also, I know a lot of you have probably seen this already, but we didn't include this in the last town hall. But yes, we've officially launched an Emerald bot site. So if you go to bot.ecdao.org, I don't know why it still links to that. DAO.org. This is our Emerald bot site. So Zero, are you here? Zero? No, Zero's not here. There's a here. FR Labs, are you here? No, you're not. Okay, so big shout out to FR Labs and Zero for all the amazing work they did on this platform. So congratulations, Zero, FR Labs. We love you. Clap, 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 clap. And yeah, so this is the page for it. So you can see Zero actually made this cool little 3D bot. You can add it to your server. There's some features like gated access, right? So here's some gated access. Dapper Sports commands like NBA Top Shot and UFC Strike, float commands, and general utilities. So all these things are really cool. And you can even go to the commands list and view the individual commands. So if we go to gated access, here are the commands for that. We go to utilities, here are some commands for that. So really cool stuff. And then is Amethyst here? Amethyst is not here, but can we get some love and pings for Amethyst? For Amethyst, but we got to ping Amethyst for all the love. So lots of hearts to Amethyst for all the incredible work that Amethyst did on the documentation. So before, it was all just it was basically I did the docs, and as we all know, when I do documentation, it looks borderline horrific. So that kind of sucked. But Amethyst, took it upon herself to completely revamp all the documentation. So seriously, so many claps to Amethyst and so many hearts. Also, Bread. Wow, that looks pretty. I love that alternating colors. That's awesome. Um, so many claps to Amethyst, and if we go here, she put the bot here. Here's a contact page, how you can add it. That she even did individual like pages for all the commands. Look at this, even like it's beautifully layered here. I'm just so happy with it. I think it's just so incredible. So thank you, Amethyst, so much for all this. And all this is to say that if you want to learn more about the bot, uh, definitely check out our docs. I'm gonna link it right here. So definitely check out our docs for the Emerald bot, and this will teach you a lot about how you can use the bot. So yeah, the bot is the future. I could not agree more, Davon. That is so true. So claps to that. All right, so that's a thing. Float. So you can now, yes, here's some updates for Float. You can now specify a minimum flow balance on your events. So, yeah, that's a feature we wanted to add. So on the Float platform now, let's go to that. On the Float platform, when you go to create an event, you can now specify a minimum required balance in Flow. So this is to sort of try and stop, um, bots, because we notice that like if you have a minimum balance, like maybe it'll stop the bot like botting a little bit. So anyway, we put that in here, and when we come out with Emerald token in a bit, we're gonna actually put an Emerald token required minimum balance. So yeah, woohoo! Um, that's gonna be a thing. But yeah, so minimum balance. All right, so that's a thing. Cool. That's good, Andrea. That's a good one. That's really good. Oh my god. I'm gonna put that on Twitter, actually. That's going on Twitter. So thanks for that. And also, yeah, thank you to Calcoin for making an event that had a minimum balance flown on it to teach everyone about that. So thank you so much, Calcoin, for that. And also a ton of love to Calcoin for helping on the Emerald Academy side as well. So much love to Calcoin for providing amazing feedback and all those things as well. I already foresee a service that transfers flow before minting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, Raven, I was thinking of adding an option called just donate to Jacob here, where you click it and it deposits your entire account to Jacob. Would that be a cool feature? I don't know. So true. So much love for Bam and Calcoin as well, the true MVPs of Emerald City DAO. And if talk about an OG, Bam and Calcoin were the first two people ever in Emerald City. So talk about real OG status. Um, Besides BZ, actually, well, BZ was the true first, but BZ's a little sneaky rat. Just kidding. Yeah, BZ was the actual first. Look at him with his gun. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's a float update. And also, woohoo! 2 million floats claimed. So one funny thing actually, that I think is actually pretty hysterical is that so I was doing work one day and I got a message from Kelcoin. Kelcoin, do you remember where you messaged me saying, "Oh, I made like a thing for 1 million floats claimed," and I was like, "Oh, that's awesome," and then I looked at the site and it was 2 million, and it was so sad. Yeah, that was so funny. Um, yeah, Kelcoin sent me like a whole. Kelcoin, do you still have that? You can send it in the chat if you want. But Kelcoin came up with like a whole thing for like 1 million floats claimed, and by the time he had finished it, we had 2 million, and we're already at 2.1, 2.15. So that's crazy. Um, and look at all these floats go. Holy cow. They're like so different too. They're all different. There's so many events going on. It's insane. I love it. Yep.
Mm-mm.
This is amazing.
That's what's left. There's not much.
What about the pre? Oh, true, Andrea. Great point. So okay, yeah, so one awesome feature that Andrea added is so if you link your float events anywhere, like on Twitter or Discord, it could be anywhere, it now shows the event name and description in the link. So if you look at the link that Calcoin has put in the chat, you'll see that it has the name and the description already in the link. So that's an awesome update, and that is thanks to pre-rendering. So claps to Andrea for that. That's awesome. Good stuff, Andrea. And yeah, so it's actually it's pretty nostalgic, actually, don't you think, Andrea, to look at this page? Because there was a time
Yeah.
where when Andrea and when we first released this platform, we were like, oh my god, there's a float, it just got claimed. That's so cool.
Or,
Yeah.
like actually, we're like, oh, claim it so I can look. You know,
Yes. Oh my god.
we would have to.
Yeah, there was so there was a period where Andre and I were developing the platform and we were trying to develop this, right? So we were trying to like figure out how to display these on the screen. And during that process, we kept telling each other, can you claim a float so we can test to see what it looks like? Because no one was claiming them, right? So we didn't like we needed someone to claim them. Oh, that's so nostalgic. And now, I mean, look at this. It's just like crazy.
Yeah, and it's also crazy going back to the 2 million thing, how after 2 months or something we were celebrating 100,000 floats, and then what was it, like 2 weeks after that we were
A
celebrating
million.
200,000, and then 1 week after that 1 million, and now 2 million. It's just like growing up. It's growing exponentially, which is awesome to see.
It's so amazing. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's just so look at it. It's just so cool, and it's even cooler that they're all unique too. Like these are just all events
Yeah.
happening. Like I don't even know what the heck that little rat is, but I think oh this some like I don't know what that is. It's some like rat project, but or whatever that animal is, but it's cool.
If you can't click on them, blame Jacob.
Oh yeah,
You used to be able to click on
yeah
them.
yeah that is true. Yeah, that's so true. Yeah, you used to be able to click these and snipe them, but I removed that because I didn't want that feature anymore. So BZ says, and Jacob is claiming. No, I'm not. I wish. Trust me. Could you imagine if I was getting like a cent for all these? That'd be amazing. But fortunately, I'm not. Need to create an announcement channel and name it Milestone Tracker. Ooh, true. We should put that inside the float channel. We should have like an automated bot. Ooh, maybe I should put that in Emerald Bot.
Do what?
Ah. Like in Emerald Bot, if every time the float's claimed goes up by like 500,000, I'm gonna make like we should have
Oh,
like an
right.
automated announcement.
Yeah.
That'd be super cool. Yeah. Link it in with Graph1 should I think so. Yeah, I think it should be easy, right? Yeah, anyway, that's float, so I can look at that forever. All right, cool. 2 million. Yeah, in theory, boss, isn't that the case with all development? It's like, oh, yeah, that's gonna take 2 seconds, and 4 days later you're still struggling on it. That's yeah, the life of development. Andrea says, really nice animation, by the way. Yeah, I wonder who did that, Andrea. I wonder who made it really smooth. Spoiler alert, it was Andrea. All right. Oh, that's a great question, Calcoin. That's a great. We should let the yeah. Let's let the community decide. What do you guys all want? 2 million, 3 million. I love that Calcoin tracks them. 10 million. Ooh, yeah. Let's do a big 5 million event. How about that? Let's have like a huge party. Do we do that? Yeah. Let's do a 5 million huge party. A Twitch stream? Yeah, like an indefinite. Oh, in Minecraft. That's a great point, Suricap, but we're gonna get to that soon. Let's all crash Vegas. Yeah. Let's go, Waz. Let's just send all our money into the casino. How about that? Our last triumphant stand. All right, cool. Anyways, sorry, you people are so mischievous. I get distracted so easily. All right, automatic. All right, so number 4 is automatic roll removal. So Emerald Bot now supports Emerald or automatic roll removal for specific projects. So what this means is that so for example, UFC Strike Champions Club and Flover stock holders will now be automatically removed from their Discord roles if they sell their NFTs. And so we're going to support more projects upon request pretty soon. For full transparency, we're thinking that this is going to turn into some sort of um, it's going to turn into some sort of like paid service. So we're thinking of coming out with like a subscription service where if you subscribe to the Emerald City bot service, you'll have access to a ton of utilities. So for example, automatic role removal, displaying your NFTs in Discord, all that kind of stuff. Um, so yeah, so if you're interested in subscribing to that kind of service, let me know and we'll get you supported pretty soon. So yeah, automatic role removal. Um, and I think so. Actually, we came out with automatic role removal in the Flover Sock Discord, and 32 people were removed on the first go. So those sneaks were still in that channel. But yeah, so we're really excited about this. So BC says, how'd you accomplish this? Yeah, so it's just a back end thing. So every like 10 minutes, I think we automatically check for holdings, and yeah. All right, that's automatic roll removal for you. Next one, so Project Toucan. So we keep talking about this one. Every single town hall, I'm gonna put this in the slides, just to talk about it and raise awareness for it. Dean, if you want to, if Dean, are you here? Yeah. So Dean, if you want to put the toucans.app link in the chat, you're totally welcome to. Anyways, Project Toucan. So this is a DAO plus token creator on Flow. Yeah, so I mean, I am so excited about this. But Dean, actually, I'll give you the floor if you want to talk a little bit about it. I know we do this at every town hall, but I think it's worth it to keep mentioning it.
Yeah, sorry, just coming off mute. Yeah, I think, yeah, I mean, just a minor update in terms of wanting to put a landing page together, just to kind of gauge some of the, we've mentioned it here in the DAO, in the community, but I've had a few chats with a few people who've reached out. We want to kind of start to capture early kind of interest, and so this little landing page will just be a temporary until the first version goes live, but allow people to sort of get a sense of what we're doing, and then also like express their interest by leaving an email so we can go back to them. Yeah, I think the two things we're looking for is one, like, who wants to use this, and two, like, what are your specific requirements? Because there's a fairly sort of broad set of things we could do here. The starting point is obviously allowing people to make their own fungible token. We've got some ideas, Jacob and I and a few others have kind of looked at like what we think people want to do with it, but it's always good to get other people's input. Is like, now you have a token, like, what are you going to do with it? Like, are you going to raise funds with it? Are you going to use for community only? Are you going to, send it different wallet addresses? Like, what are some of the kind of the details? So if anyone wants to, you can always drop us a message on that site, like with an email, and it kind of helps. So we'll always even set up a discussion if anyone wants to kind of go deeper. As I said, spoken to a few folks already about the DAOs they want to build. Couple interesting chat with some of the folks over at Animoca Brands, and a few other people have reached out. So that's super cool. And that site will obviously, as we kind of have more to share, we'll update it. And yeah, Jacob's already started working on this, and I know that the EME Studio guys as well. So yeah, anything to add to that, Jacob?
No, that's it. Yeah, so just like Dean said, we've already begun implementing this, and our front end team, or the EME Studios team, is already developing the front end for this. So super excited, and I'm already also doing some of the contract stuff for it. So it's underway, and as with all things in Emerald City, every town hall we will keep you updated on the progress. All right, Project Toucans, and so Boaz, I'll give you the floor if you want it, if of course, but I'll give you the floor to talk about what is like the Better Playground, just for people that don't know about it, or otherwise I'll give it a go.
No, yeah. So Better Playground. Obviously, we all know that the Flow Playground is a big pile of shit. um, it was great for what it was. We all know they built it, 2 years ago before most of the emulator even existed, and it just has had some major issues that have not been able to work out. So we started working on our own version that started as just a little transition and script utility, but I got so fed up with the Flow Playground, I've basically rewritten the emulator and most of the dev wallet, and linked it into our own version of the Flow CLI that will be able to connect to the site, and you'll be able to run a full emulator, deploy multiple contracts to the same account, run as many accounts as you want. Basically give yourself a full development experience. And then when you're ready, you'll be able to transition it into testnet and mainnet, and all the functions work across all three networks.
You crack me up, Boaz. It's so funny. Anyways, yeah. So thanks, Boaz, for saying that. I honestly couldn't have explained it better. So everything you said is just it's on point. Yep. Yeah. So better. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Andre. You can go.
I don't know. I was just gonna say to Buzz, if you need any help on the front end stuff, I'm happy to help out for the playground.
That's awesome.
Couldn't unmute. Very shortly. I'm almost there.
That's awesome. Yeah, what a team. I love that. Thanks, Buzz, for doing that. Awesome. Yeah. Awesome. So on to the governance guild. So this is our last guild. How many minutes do we have? 14 minutes. Andre, do you have a YouTube or blog? Andrea should have a YouTube. He's very entertaining and also good at the education stuff. But Andrea actually has done quite a bit of tutorials on the Flow channel. So Andrea, if you want to link that, go ahead.
Sure. Yeah, I don't have a YouTube, mainly because it's not very, knowing how successful Jacob is and what a superstar he
It's
is
hard to match.
doesn't really encourage people to start their own YouTube channel. It's like trying to light a match where there's already a flaming fire. But yeah, I actually started a blog a while back, but it was more around machine learning, so completely useless for most people here. But yeah, maybe once we start doing some front end stuff on Emerald Academy, that can be a good reason to start producing some content.
Yep. Screw you, Raven. Cool. All right, on to the governance guild. So yeah, so for those of you that don't know, the governance guild is more like the the administrative stuff in the boot camp. So RQ says when new round of Academy. So I mentioned that before. I'll go back to it really quickly. But the July 2022 edition RQ is starting on July 11th. So look out for that. And you can sign up using this link. Can I paste that in the chat? Let me paste that in the chat really quick again. For those of you that want to sign up, it's right. Oh, perfect. Thank you, K-Don. Perfect. So now I don't have to do it. Nice. Thank you. Awesome. All right. So that is the. That's that's that. All right. Governance guild. So yeah. For those of you that have attended the town halls before, you know that we kind of repeat the same stuff. What's up, everybody? It's Jacob back at it again for another Flow video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about account storage. Or whatever it is. Back at it again. That's my YouTube line. Anyways, so we talk about this every town hall, but this is our season 2. So we're currently in season 2 of Emerald City. Seasons are basically a way for DAOs or for us to track our progress across random periods of time. So we started out in season 0, then onto season 1, and now we're in season 2. If you want to check out information about our seasons, go to Roadmap. It'll get the Roadmap channel I just linked in the chat. That'll give you a sort of a layout of all the seasons that we've had and what we've accomplished in each season, which is super awesome. So yeah, and you can even check out like what we're currently doing, and that's what I'm getting to right now. So let me just go back to my slides here. Okay, so this is what we initially had a couple months ago. I think it was starting on May 1st. So starting on May 1st, we had this is everything that was there. We wanted to complete the second boot camp at Emerald Academy, complete the third one, develop Token Minter at the time we were calling it, all this stuff. And anyways, now we're here. So look at all those green check marks that we've completed. Super cool. We completed the second boot camp, completed the third boot camp. We added Dapper Wallet to Emerald ID. We added Dapper Wallet to Float. Added Emerald Bot support for NBA Top Shot and UFC Strike. Added automatic role removal for NBA Top Shot and UFC Strike. Started having weekly guild leader meetings. Figured out a good spot for the governance guild. So all these things we started doing, and really happy about that. And of course, we've also added quite a lot in here along the way. That's just not listed, but it is indeed in there. So there would be a lot of other green check marks if we had included some other stuff as well. So yeah, our season 2 is going really amazing, and pretty soon, right when we complete Scaffold Flow and the Touchstone project, we will probably initialize season 3. So yeah. So as always, here are your guild leaders, for season 2. So myself, Jacob, Bam. What's up, Bam? Biartek, are you here? I don't think Biartek is here, but Biartek as well. Andrea's here. Calcoin's here. Dean is here, and Support Monkey. Not sure if you're here, but Support Monkey as well. So these are all your guild leaders for season 2. Yeah. So if you have any questions about Emerald City at any point in time, I would definitely reach out to any of us. We'd be happy to help you along your way in the Emerald City community. Cool. So here's an interesting topic. We always talk about Emerald Token. So once again, I'm not going to dive into this too heavily. But yeah, some alpha. So Emerald, right? So Emerald Token is on the way. We are full force with Emerald Token right now. We've been spending quite a lot of time. More specifically, Dean here has done an incredible job with Emerald Token, spending many days and many, many nights, specifically for Dean, a night owl, just like me. And so, yeah, so we've been really spending like an incredible amount of time on Emerald Token, and we are really keen to get this out there. And so we're gonna be, releasing our white paper / slide deck in the near future. But not yet, because we're still, developing it. So, yeah, just look out for that. And again, I don't want to talk about it too much, but it's on the way, and so, yeah, cool. Emerald Wars. So, this is, basically Emerald Wars is like our really fun community stuff that we do. This includes the Cadence 2v2 battles we do, includes the Minecraft events we do, all that stuff. So, Surreycat here. Surreycat, are you excited for our Minecraft event? Yes, yes. So our next Minecraft event is going to be on July 22nd. So look out for that on July 22nd. We're gonna have our next Minecraft event. So me and Surreycat are gonna be, or more specifically, Surreycat is gonna be building out our event, and that's gonna be just so funny. If you missed our last one, actually, let me link my YouTube channel really quick. It was actually hysterical. Let me try and see if I can find it. Unfortunately, the quality wasn't that good because I didn't record it correctly, but it's still here. So you should check it out. It's so funny. Let's see who was in here at this time. Papa Vader, are you here? I know Papa Vader sometimes. No. Who else was here? We had Surreycat was here, but anyways, we had Andrea was here. We had a super fun event where we had different NFT projects sponsor it. So for example, Rooms, like you guys know Jimbo, right? And Rob. So they sponsored the event and we had like an escape room for them. Oh, Rom, you were there? Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, we had like a Go to Goats one. Let's see, well, we had a Blockto one. So we had people mining each other. There's Andrea, look at him fighting for his life. Wait, let's go back to that for a second. Look at Andrea fighting for his life against Papa Vader over there. Oh, it was so funny watching people fight it out. The cool thing was that people were actually competing for NFTs and tokens. So people that won this Blockto event, they actually won Blockto tokens. And people that won the Go to Goats one, they got Go to Goats packs. We also had a Zeeds event. So wait, where was the Zeeds one? Oh, so here was Zeeds. So we had a huge flower field, right? And everyone in the flower field had to run around and like they had to find a little flower. And the first people to find a flower got Zeeds packs. So this was really fun as well. What else did we have? Oh, here was the Go to Goats one. Wait, was BZ in here? Oh no, this is Andrea and fuck you, meh. They were a team together. And this is let's see if Andrea. Oh, his teammate fell. Let's see if Andrea falls. Come on. Oh, there goes Andrea. Terrible, terrible, terrible player. So that was just
What a
so.
boomer.
So you look like the ultimate boomer there, literally. And this was the event for BZ's project, Basic Beasts. We had people square up and shoot each other with bows and arrows. Oh, so so here comes Becca. Yeah, Becca, we're talking about the Minecraft event we did a couple weeks ago or months ago. We had people fight each other for NFTs. So let's see. Oh yeah, so this was yeah, this was an event we had where people were shooting each other with bows and arrows to win basic beast packs. Yeah, it was actually incredibly fun. Look at this. Oh look, there's Surreycat over there. Look at Surreycat with his bow and arrow right here. So people, yeah, and there's Bam. Look at you, Bam. I see. Oh, there's Ashley. Is that Ashley here? No, but Ashley was so funny too. And there's Andrea. Look at Andrea hiding behind Ashley. What a scaredy cat. Wow, going back into this video, I'm realizing how much of a boomer Andrea is actually. Literally hiding behind Ashley. Oh, that's so funny. Sorry, I could spend forever on this, but it was just the most hysterical event ever. Oh, I have to show one more before we stop. Wait, was the so we had people on horses also running through gates. Yeah, so wait, let's see. So we released the gates here, and yeah, so look, we had people on horses running through gates at nighttime, and the first person to cross the gate won a Go to Goats NFT. So this was so funny too. Look at everyone racing through. The horse race was hard. Yeah, it was hard. But some people were really good at it. Yeah, so anyways, the main point is just to say that on July 22nd we're having another one. So I would definitely check it out because it's gonna be really funny, just like that. So yeah, I guess I should put that in here in case anyone wants to view this at a later point. But so July 22nd, new Minecraft event. Cool. All right. So that's it. My body is ready. I will win all the games. Doubt it, Becca. But Becca, if you beat me in Minecraft, I will give you a very exclusive NFT. Let me tell you that. Anyways, that's it. So that's all there is for today's town hall. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a bit more about Emerald City. Looks like we made it on time. And let me configure the float because I forgot to do the float again, and I'm terrible with that. But let me do the float really quickly. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and configure this super quick. And yeah, you'll all get a float for attending today's town hall. Let me make one really quickly. But yeah, so I'm curious, do any of you have ideas for events that we could do? Why no screen share? So that you can't get the passcode, BC. That's exactly why. Sneak. All right. Exactly, yep. All right, so town hall number 14. Town hall number 14. Add this to our town halls list. Tell me I have the East 75. Perfect. And create the float. All right, it's creating. So the secret passcode is Town Hall 14, all lowercase, all one word. I'll put it in the chat.
It's 14 numbers.
Yeah, 14 numbers. So Town Hall and then 14 as a number. So I don't put it in chat because I sometimes the bots love to just copy paste. But anyways, so here's the event, and the passcode is Town Hall 14, all lowercase, all one word. Also, notice the pre-rendering. The name and the description both came up in the link. So thanks, Andrea, for doing that. Awesome.
You're welcome, guys.
Yes.
Executed.
I'm still initializing. Damn you.
Let's see which one I got.
Mine failed. Fuck my life. You can like... ah, that's so
Damn,
funny.
who beat me?
Wow, who won?
I don't know who's. Well, we can use the Emerald bot for that, right?
Wait,
I got it.
was. Wow. Wait, Raven, what do you mean slash in Discord? You mean like displaying it? Nope.
Wait, it doesn't.
I can't get the slash commands to come up either.
Yeah,
you know
I'm
why?
trying to identify.
It's because
Yeah.
because it's so Discord is this thing now where if you're in like a voice channel text chat, it like lags for a second because it's buggy. So you have to like add a space, then like remove the space, and it'll figure it out.
Damn boys. Sorry. He got number 0. That
Wow.
sniper.
Wow. Davon got number 10. Nice, Davon. But yeah,
What number
that's
did
it.
BZ?
Oh yeah, what did BZ get? That actual sneak.
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 For some reason, mine failed. I don't know why.
Oh really?
Yeah, like it said too many requests. So I
That's
think
'cause
I
you're a
would have
spammer.
gotten. I didn't spam. I think.
That's so weird. Oh, mine and 2 never too busy. Oh, that stinks.
Oh, Jacob, you should share the screen of the live feed.
Oh, true. Let's watch
Let's see
that.
if
Let's
they're
watch
still
that.
claiming.
Yeah, let's see if yeah, I'm sharing my screen again. Let's see if people claim it. Oh, too many requests? That's so interesting. I would try again. Also, yeah, if let's see. So if it happens to be that like you guys don't get it in time because only 75 are available, I'll individually give it to people that don't get it. Oh, I see some being claimed. Nice. There's one. Love that.
It used to be that whenever we did a float, it would only be those floats that showed up.
Yeah,
You know?
right?
Like I remember in the office hours when we kind of debuted float, when it was back in testnet actually, that was the only thing that was coming up on the screen at the
Yeah.
time. And now it's like one of many.
So many. Man, I remember that too. We had it on testnet and we're like, all right, all right, everyone, all your NFTs are gonna go away. It seems like this is there's a specific project that's actually it looks like a project actually launched on Flow. That's pretty cool. Because it all seems to be like the same vibe, like these little lizards.
Yeah, I was looking at some people, I was looking at an account and they had created an event for each different type of NFT. So like, and each NFT has different rarity. So I don't know if it's exactly the the right use of float, but
Yeah.
to each his own.
Yeah.
Or shilling. I've seen a lot of people trying to, I mean, there's people trying to pass off mutant apes and whatnot.
Yeah,
Yep.
I've been banning those accounts. Anytime I see like, oh, buy this Bored Ape, I just immediately ban the account.
Like how everyone's mesmerized.
I love it. Oh yeah, true, Calcoin. I'll do like a minimal like 0.2 or something. All right, everybody, that's all there is. Email proposal key. That's weird. I gotta change that error message to be more user friendly too. I would try to refresh the page, Numity, and see if that works. Otherwise, if you don't get it in time, then I will be more than happy to give it to you individually. All right, everyone, cool. Nice, TT. All right, that's all I have to say. So thank you all so much for tuning in. What's next on the list? So yeah, make sure if you want to join the Cadence Bootcamp, please check that out. It's starting on July 11th, so next Monday. And yeah, thanks everyone. Hope you had fun, and peace out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and have a fantastic week. Keep smiling, and yeah, that's all I have to say. All right, peace out, everyone. Bye bye.